guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today we are going to do this eye look, which I actually wore for Easter. So we're gonna do this look. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. So without further ado, let's jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that way you don't miss out on any videos. All right, so we're going to take this makeup off, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how simple this eye look is to create. Let me just tell you, I love this look. I am going to be using the Tati palette as well as one of my absolute favorite colors from Estee Lauder, which is Cheeky Pink. Y'all have seen this color. I have talked about it and I love it. And it was funny when I was doing a little organizing, I was like, oh, Cheeky Pink. It's spring and summer and it's the perfect time to bring a little Cheeky Pink out. So without further ado, let's jump in. I'm really obsessed with these. These are nice and thin, malleable, perfect. So let's go ahead and create this look. I've already put the Estee Lauder eyelid primer on. Okay, it's a nice base, hides those little imperfections, which I love. And I've done my eyebrows, which really I just add a little color to, which I use the, today I use the Estee Lauder, and this is in brunette. So I've already done that. So we're gonna concentrate on the eyes. So I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush. These are the ones from Jeffree Star. And I'm gonna take Soothe from the Tati palette in the matte, which is it's the one transition color that I just think is perfect. So I'm gonna take a very light hand to that color because I will be blending more of a pink. Now, the reason that I love doing the under eye patches while I'm doing my eyeshadow is it also catches any fallout, although the Tati Beauty palette has very little fallout, so it's really not an issue unless I'm doing glitter, which we're not doing glitter. And then what I'm going to do is go into Poet. This is a stunningly gorgeous color. This is in the matte as well. And I'm gonna go in the crease, again with a very light hand. And so I'm going to the outer corner and then going in that crease with just a nice little sweeping motion. Flat brush, and I'm going to go into Poet, the matte and the sequin. So I'm going to go back and forth, tap off the excess, and then just tap that inner corner. So we're just darkening that inner corner and bringing it towards the center of the pupil, but staying on the outer corner. Now what I'm going to do is take my finger, because honestly the sequins work best with your finger. And I'm going to pat that outer corner to really deepen that. Because the minute you lay a brush to the sequin, you will lose those little micro glitter that's in there. Now I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush again and go back into the Poet in the matte, and I'm going to bring that color up and blend it out. So we're going to have a really nice fading from a darker pink to a lighter pink. That's the whole idea. And then I bring it in towards the inner corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Aura in the sequin as well, and just using my finger, I'm going to put it on the inner corner all the way to the middle of the eye. It's a really simple look. And you can see as it touches, it sort of fades. Now what I'm going to do is take that beautiful cheeky pink, love this color, from Estee Lauder. And again, I'm gonna use my finger. Concentrate on the center with the cheeky pink, bringing it, sort of taking it from the center and then feathering it out towards that outer portion and then going back and forth. So it's sort of bringing some of the pink towards the center and some of the cheeky pink towards the outer portion. Take a very small little brush and I'm going to take Aura in the matte, which is right here. It makes a beautiful highlight, and I'm just going to highlight that upper brow bone. This is such a pretty color for spring. I love this look. I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on, and then I will show you how I finish this look. But let me go ahead. So I have all my makeup on with the exception of the under eyes. So let's go ahead and do that. I am going to go into Ritual, which is that really pretty dark brown matte, and just hit that outer corner. And then I kind of flick it up to join the rest of this goodness. And then I just deepen just that outer corner with Ritual. Just really makes that pink pop even more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that beautiful Poet, just like I did with the crease, and I'm just gonna bring it along the center and then out. I'm gonna take that cheeky pink and take a little brush and just hit that inner corner. And if you really want to make a pop, you can wet it, but I like it just like this. I'm gonna add a little bit of lip liner. The only thing I have on is City Beauty, and this is a new color I've been trying, which is, oh Lord, Los Angeles lips. Los Angeles lips. This is funny because see how pink this looks? It's a little misleading because when you put it on, see how it comes out? It doesn't have like what I thought would be this super pink color, but again, it's City Lips, so it's going to plump and it is going to bring a pink flush. But I'm gonna add a little lip liner. This is in, I know it's Estee Lauder Wine. A little bit of lip liner just to define my lips a little bit more. Only other thing that I need to do is take a nice big fluffy brush, and then at the very end, this is after I've put all my makeup on, this is just the way I do it. You know, there's no rhyme or reason. We don't have to follow rules. There are no rules in makeup as far as I'm concerned. And all I'm doing is blending those edges on the very outer eye. and it just gives it a soft, nice diffused look, and that way it doesn't look, there's no harsh edges. So that's it for my spring pink eye look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.